Viking River Splash closed in September 2023, and it's kind of just been a kind of mystery as to what would replace it. So I'm here at Legoland Windsor today, and I just thought I'd kind of take a look at kind of the area itself and what could replace it. So yeah, here we go. So here is the old entrance that used to be at the old rapids, and as you can see, there is now just kind of construction wall that kind of just wraps around the whole kind of site. But yeah, you know, rapids are kind of going out of fashion in the UK really, and it's kind of a shame to see because they can be really fun rides. But yeah, obviously Rumba Rapids at Thorpe Park isn't looking the best. And then also you have Congo River Rapids that's also been kind of, I'm not saying neglected, but it's just kind of, obviously they turned the waterfalls back a few years ago, so that's good to see. But yeah, that's now almost coming up to 40 years old, so it'll be interesting to see what they do with that. So yeah, in terms of this site, well, what could replace it? Well, obviously you have Lego Ninjago the ride, which is just behind this site. So, and also Ninjago has been very successful in other Legoland parks. In Korea, the newest Legoland park, they actually opened a spinning coaster called Master of Shinjitsu or something like that. If I got that wrong, the editing will be on the screen. So yeah, obviously Ninjago is a very popular ride. If you come down here, you can actually see, yeah, you can see the building for Ninjago. So that's obviously, you can see that the site hasn't actually been touched much, which kind of just goes to show that they're not really looking to do anything in the near future, which is a shame really, because this is a massive site. Rapids do take up a lot of area. But yeah, because you see like the empty trough, and it's a really shame. It's such a shame to see. But yeah, this ride used to be really good when it opened with the park, and then it just slowly declined after they just kind of took away all the effects, and they just kind of made it really a bit run down. And you know, I mean, if the site hasn't been kind of acted with, it kind of shows that they're not really looking to do anything, like I said, which is such a shame. But if I can get my camera through here, I can, yeah, you can see, if I get in focus, you can see it blurred in, yeah, you can see the entrance sign. You can get a better view on the hill train, so I'll hopefully do that later today, so I can get a better angle, because that gets a better view on, like, just to show that nothing's really been done to it. But yeah, like I said, I don't really think they're gonna kind of do anything similar to what they did with the rapids. I think they're gonna kind of redevelop the whole thing, obviously when the time is right, because you know they're clearly not looking to do anything with it in the future, as I said. Obviously, I think my prediction is they're gonna build off of Ninjago and maybe do a spinning coaster like the one in Korea. But we will have to see. So obviously you had Minifigure Speedway opened last year. Had my first ride on it today actually. It was very good. Got on the legend team. We actually won. So I'm just the best. But anyway, I think they do need another coaster really, because before 2024 it was really struggling with only really the Dragon as the coaster for people kind of my age who wanted to be interested in something like that. But yeah, I don't know if they're going to build another coaster. Maybe that's probably the most realistic option. Maybe they're going to build off of Ninjago, like I said before, or they could do something completely different. Who knows? That's a good thing with you. You never really know what is going to happen. So yeah, that is basically going to do it. Just kind of talk a bit about kind of the speculation of what could come here in the near future. I just got the hill train over there. We got a dual action, damn. But yeah, that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed. Just a quick update about the situation. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Cheerio.